Hello guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at how to install Ubuntu 13.10 inside of VMware Workstation, VMware Player, VirtualBox, pretty much any other virtual machine software that you can think of, because this pretty much most likely will work with any other virtual machine software. Now, I will have all the links that you need down below for the Ubuntu 13.10 ISO image, and that is pretty much all you need. Yeah, let's just get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a new virtual machine, and you're going to want to go to the typical recommended option, click on next, and now when you come to this screen, if you're using a VMware product, I would recommend choosing the installer disk image file from here, because it would make the install just a lot easier for you. But because I'm doing this tutorial, I'm just going to select I will install the operating system later. Click on next, and you want to select the operating system as Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit, or just Ubuntu if you have it here. I got the 64-bit edition. You might have gotten the 32-bit edition, and you want to choose the one that matches the ISO that you have downloaded. Anyway, click on next, and you can save it anywhere and name it anything you want. I'm just going to leave it as the default, and click on next. And you should also leave this as the default. 20 gigabytes is plenty enough for this virtual machine. Now, if you want to make it larger, then you can do that here as well. And I'm just going to store it as a single file. And click on next, and you want to click on customize hardware. You want to go to the CD DVD drive and use ISO image file, and then you want to browse to the Ubuntu installer disk. Alright, once you have selected the Ubuntu installer disk, you just want to click on close and finish, and it's going to bring up the virtual machine here. And now you just have to click on power on this virtual machine, and it's going to begin running. And you can close out of this here, and now again, full screen here for you guys. We are going to be booted into the Ubuntu installer pretty much, so we're just gonna let it boot here. Now keep in mind, it is booting from the CD, or from the CD drive, so it's probably going to take a while because it's not booting from a physical hard disk. So if it takes too long, and especially if you're on like a older computer and it takes longer than you think, it's probably not something you have to worry about unless it starts crashing, because crashing is bad. But anyway, apparently this I'm not sure what that iBus update thing is. I believe that's might have something to do with VMware, but anyway. You can either try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. I'm just going to click on install it. If you want to try it out here in the live CD environment, then you can do that here and see if you want to install or not. So I'm just going to click on install, and it's just going to do this check here. So you have to have at least 5.9 gigabytes of available drive space, and you should be connected to the internet. And if you are, then you want to check this option here, which is download updates while installing, which is pretty much you always want to make sure that you're up to date. Now this is optional down here, this third-party software. Now I'm not going to do it just to save video time, but if you want this third-party software down here, then you can install that and click on continue once you have chose your options here. And now this is going to ask you if you want to erase the disk and install Ubuntu, or you can probably install it like beside another Windows installation. So anyway, we're going to click on install now, and it should begin the install. It might ask us for some user information, but yes, it's going to. So we're going to choose our time zone here, click on continue, and it's taking a while again because it's booting from the CD. And you're going to choose your language and keyboard layout here. So we're going to click on, I think this is just the keyboard layout. Click on continue, which we are using in standard English US QWERTY keyboard. And you just want to type in your name, and I'm just going to call it MJD Ubuntu VM. And password, you can choose a password if you want, because this is a virtual machine. I'm not going to bother, so I'm going to choose login automatically. And you want to choose a username also. And oh, apparently it's going to you have to put in a password. Okay, so let's put in yeah, I'll just put in pass for the password, you know, because it's a virtual machine. So yeah, just click on continue, and this is optional, I believe. This Ubuntu one, because I don't have a this account, so I'm just going to click on login later. But if you have, you would sign in there, or you could create an account. But that's to basically like I guess sync all your stuff to the cloud. And I'm login later. It's not like it's taking a while. And we should begin the install process. Here we go. Welcome to Ubuntu 13.10, fast and full of new features. The latest version of Ubuntu makes computing easier than ever. Here are a few cool things you should look out for. You can go through here, and it shows you what Ubuntu has to offer, pretty much. So we are copying files. This is obviously going to take like the longest amount of time because it's copying all the files over from the CD to the hard drive. So once it has finished, I will be back for the next part of the installation. Alright, so Ubuntu has finished the installation process, and now we're just going to click on restart now, and it should restart the computer here. Let's just wait for that. It's probably going to ask us to eject the disk from the disk drive. I'm not sure about that though. We'll wait here. And here we are at the Ubuntu desktop. We can probably change the guest resolution here because it's running at like very low resolution. I think I have to install VMware tools for that, which I might start like a whole new series on just like Ubuntu tips or something. I don't know, but yeah, it is really like the actual resolution is really short. But yeah, guys, I think that is going to wrap it up for the Ubuntu 13.10 install tutorial. Like I said before, I'm planning on doing these a lot more often. I know I haven't really been making any of these videos in a while because I've just had a lot of Minecraft videos, and I've been kind of busy with those. But yeah, I mean, I think I'll be starting these a lot more often. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, definitely be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And as always, I will see you in the next video.